How to see your TikTok watch history. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your TikTok watch history. So if you've been trying to find a video you watched recently, follow along step by step, and you'll be able to track it down. Alright, let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Go to your profile. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap Activity Center, then select Watch History. Here you'll see all the videos you've recently watched. If you want to find a video from a specific date, tap Filter by Date at the top. You can choose from all dates, yesterday, last week, last month, or even pick a custom date range to see exactly what you watched on a particular day. Scroll through the videos in that date range, and when you find the one you want, just tap it to watch it again. And that's it. It's super easy to see everything you've watched on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.